Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm creating this very sultry yet simple and easy reverse smoky eye makeup look. So if you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. To soothe out my dry patches, I'm first applying the hydrating primer by Makeup Forever on the areas where my skin flakes the most. Because the rest of my face falls under normal skin type, I'm applying the Milani Prime Perfection Hydrating Primer. To fill in the pores of my forehead and nose, I'm using the Baby Skin Insta Pore Eraser Primer. And for the pores under my eyes, I'm using the Benefit Professional Primer because I have huge pores in this area. For foundation, I'm going for the PAC HD Liquid Foundation in the shade 3.9, and to blend it, I'm using a damp beauty blender. As you can tell with this foundation, your skin looks so luminous. It gives you light to medium buildable coverage, which I personally live for. For concealer, I'm using the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shades Dark Nude and Beach Sand. I'm going to use this mostly to highlight my under eye area, forehead, chin and nosy, and to blend it, I'm using an angled flat top kabuki brush from Cups and Lashes. To give some dimension and structure to my face, I'll be contouring my face with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze. This is darker than my skin tone, so it will help in creating those shadows that got concealed with the foundation and the concealer. I'm using this in the usual places like my cheekbones, circumference of my face, chin and nosy, and to blend it, I'm using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cups and Lashes. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige to clean up underneath my cheekbones, and I'm blending it using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cups and Lashes. For powder, I'm using the new Masterfix Setting Loose Powder. Now personally, I don't like to use powders because I have a dry skin. So I'll be just using it in the areas where my concealer creases the most, like my under eye area and my forehead. Now to bring back that warmth to my face, I'll be using a bronzer. This one's Hoola bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics, and this will go right above my contour. And to apply it, I'm using my angled brush. To add some color to my cheeks, I'm dipping into this corally rosy shade from Ultra Blush palette from Sivana with my angled brush, and then to blend it, I'm using my powder brush. For highlighter, I'm using the shade Moonstone from the Sun Dipped Glow Kit palette by ABH Cosmetics on the highest points of my face, and I'm using a fan brush to apply it. And for my brows, I'm just filling in the sparse areas with this brown eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm using a spoolie to spread the color across so that it looks more natural. And to set and seal everything in place, I'll be using a setting spray, and this one's Pack Prep and Prime. To clean up underneath my brows, I'm using the Pack Takeover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand, and to set it, I'm using the new Masterfix Setting Loose Powder. And to get those dramatic straight edges, I'm using a sticky tape. To warm up my crease area, I am dipping into this nude peachy shade from NYX Warm Neutrals palette with my larger blending brush. To further intensify my crease area, I am again depositing the same peach nude shade from NYX Warm Neutrals palette with my pack brush in the style 126 in my crease line. Next, I'm lining the outer half of my top lash line with Magnet Eye Kajal by Faces Canada, and I'm smudging it using my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. For my lower lash line, I'm smoking out this deep charcoal shade from Ultra Eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution with my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. I'm also joining it with the small wing I created earlier by smudging out my kajal. And to fill in my waterline, I'm again using the Magnet Eye Kajal by Faces Canada. To brighten my inner eye corners and my brow bone, I'm dipping into this shade Vermeer by Modern Renaissance palette by ABH Cosmetics with my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. And to finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that, I'll be coating my lashes with some mascara, and this one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. And for lipstick, I'm applying a combination of lot of shades. I'm first starting with Tease by Faces Canada, and then I'm topping it up with Skin Deep, Natural Cocoa, and Vogue again by Faces Canada. And for lashes, I'm applying the Gloomier Lashes in the style Starlet. And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with a beautiful mauvish suit and some traditional jewelry. Of course, you can pair it with anything you like. but because I was vibing Indian, so I chose to wear that. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and if you liked this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left all the product information along with my socials in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.